Is that good?
I don't like carrots.
You like carrots.
I know.
Kayla, you like carrots.
I'm gonna try it.
That's all I ask. Is that good? Jack's eating carrots.
Soft ones. These are good. Noodles are good.
Is that good? Say, Nana and Zeto, I have to eat naked. Because Mommy says I get too much stuff on my clothes. So she makes me eat naked. See? Naked.
Ew.
Naked feet. Naked feet. Oh, did you get some on you? Right there? Jack, where's your stinky toe? Where's your stinky toes?
Stinky toes.
Oh, did you get it? You got it.